question about voting is a simple one. It's the point at which you move from talk to action.
It's absolute greenwashing and hypocrisy for the big fund managers like the BlackRocks of the world to say we're doing all this great stuff on climate, but then supporting plans which don't lead to any reductions.
The evidence is everywhere. The evidence is physical in the shape that climate change is taking, and the evidence is financial in the pounding that their share prices have been taking. I mean, what more evidence do you need?
What we actually see in the plans in the next decade, Mark, is a planned increase in the production of fossil fuels by most of the fossil fuel majors, and they're all claiming these are net zero. Nobody
is covered in glory. No company has actually started to make, for example, the CapEx decisions that are needed. So the gap between what is said and what is done is what needs to be closed.
Next month, all the oil majors will hold their AGMs, and there are some important decisions to make. There will be climate resolutions which come to vote.
Shareholders should follow the resolutions proposed by Follow This and send a clear message that we must have targets. Without targets and near-term targets, 5-year targets are key, we're not going to get anywhere.
Is it difficult to vote against the board of the most powerful company in your country?
I'm going to be a bit open here, but no, it's not difficult.
It's obvious shareholders should vote against the company proposed plans and against directors. And it's important that the world calls out those investors that don't do so, both through shame and removing business from them,